Okay. These screws here. This is the fan here. It's got this I guess base, and it's got 4 slots here where you tighten the screw down to the water pump and the pulley at the same time. The pulley goes on to the water pump. So this pulley goes onto the water pump. You have to align the hole for this pulley with the water pump and this slot to put this bolt in. And it's very difficult unless you know how to do a trick with it. So you just keep doing it until you find the hole, match it up. Once you get the first bolt in, that's it. The rest goes in easy. So that's what we had to do. That's what he was fighting there for a while. And he did it.